Anong masasabi niyo sa kinain niyo?
Sobrang masarap. Kasi sa Norway.
Did you forget your name after you have eaten that one?
What did I eat? Oh, I forgot. I forgot my name.
Did you forget your name?
What's my name again?
Maybe you left it up in the... Yeah.
We are now here at Oslo City.
Ma'am, malaglag ka ha?
We are now here at Oslo City, and we are here with the au pairs who's having their day today.
Tawa mo, ibang spelling.
Oh, I thought you are a tourist here.
Oh, I'm not a tourist here. I'm a reporter here. You know. Where are they going?
Tingin dito, ano na? Hi! Welcome to Oslo, Norway, and this is the opera.
Welcome. Hi.
I am.
I'm Percy Pangilinan reporting. Ayun na sa lamin.
Sa loob yun.
Nakapag ko sa inyo yung picture niya.
Sa loob yun, Jane.
Sa loob yun? May bayad? Oo, bayad yun.
Ala, parang akala ko, bakit ang gaan ng bag ko? Dalawa pa rin ang ano mo. Ipasok mo kaya yan. Ate Shea.
Hi! Yun lang. Hi, mga friends.
Ang gawin mo dyan, hand carry mo na lang yan. May pang check-in ka ba na hand carry?
Wala.
Ay, check-in na hang kiri. May hang kiri bang check-in?
Ay, yung ano ba?
Ay, suitcase.
Sorry.
Suitcase yung ano ko, hang kiri ko. Wala na akong ibang bag. Yun lang,
Oo,
hang
yun
carry
na
lang.
lang. Pwede ka pa naman may extra aside doon. Pwede na.